how to create DD driver account. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can create DD driver account. So to create a DD driver account is to um, become a rider on DD. And this particular feature is not yet available in my region. But if it's available in your region, the first step is to launch the DD app, just like I have done here. Then move to the top left corner, click on the three horizontal lines so that you can see there. Then amongst the options displayed, you'll see invite friends, then drive with us. Just go ahead and click on it. So after clicking on the drive with us option, you will be taken to the drive with us page. And then eventually you will be taken to the page where you would see the option register. This is because for you to become a driver, you would have to register officially with DiDi. But like I said, to become a driver on DiDi is not yet available in my region, and that is why it is displaying this option. Please try again. So, but for you, if it's allowed, once you're brought to the registration page, follow the process. Provide your personal information, including your name, contact details, and any required documents such as driver's license and vehicle registration. Then agree to the terms and conditions, complete the verification process, and once you have approved, you'll be ready to start driving with DiDi. It is very simple. You can register to be a driver by making use of the app. Just follow these procedures and you are good to go. That is it. I hope this tutorial has helped you. Thanks for watching and have a good day.